How to change font size to small on Facebook. So let's get started. So basically, note that Facebook does not have a built-in font size setting, so you will need to adjust it through your phone's system setting. So now all you have to do is go back to your home screen and look for the settings app available there and simply tap on it. Now, once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available in there. Again, once you tap on the accessibility, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the pre-app settings option available there. Once you tap on the pre-app settings, tap on the add app inside there, and all you have to do is add the Facebook app. You can simply tap on the search address bar and search for the Facebook or scroll and tap on it. Now once you tap on the Facebook, you will have to tap on Facebook again once it is saved in apps option available there. Now again, once inside the Facebook settings, there you will get to see larger text option available. Tap on it. Now there you can see slider option available. Move the slider to the left side in order to decrease the font size. Now open Facebook and this font will now appear smaller. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.